Hello, everyone. Mrs. Lewis here, reporting from my computer in our classroom to talk to you about social studies today. Now, I want you to think for a moment about the Pledge of Allegiance that we have been practicing. The Pledge of Allegiance is a tradition that we say every morning in our school. But what is a tradition? What does that word mean? A tradition is something that has been done by people for many years. And one of our traditions here at Esmond Station is to begin our day with the Pledge of Allegiance, and we also include the ACT statement. That is a tradition at our school, Esmond Station. And in your social studies folder, you're going to find this video of the Pledge of Allegiance. And if I scroll, there's another video for you to watch. Now, it is a video of our national anthem. And you might be wondering, well, what is a national anthem? A national anthem is an uplifting song that is about a country or a nation. And this is the national anthem for the United States of America. And it is a song that we sing about our flag called the Star-Spangled Banner. And there are lots of traditions for singing this special song. For example, lots of sporting events use this song before the athletes play. And during American holidays, you will often hear this song. So today I'd like you to also watch this video and learn about the Star-Spangled Banner, and you can practice singing it at home. Thanks so much, guys. Have fun singing.